Telkom data must never expire. If you don't do that, we'll come and make your stores expire because you are stealing from us. We will close MTN stores, we'll close Vodacom stores, we'll close Telkom stores because they are stealing from us. They must stop from stealing from us, otherwise we are coming for them. They must stop taking our data. Fighters, this comrade, Lonzi, was standing here, fought in the committee when the Minister of Higher Education wanted to bring corrupt CETA boards. He fought, and that minister lied and lied until she was exposed. That minister resigned and those boards were dissolved. We stopped corruption in the CETA leading from the front. It was not the ANC, it was the EFF. That's why we made a corrupt minister to resign. The ANC takes that corrupt minister and make her deputy chief whip in parliament because they love them corrupt. That's why they can't do away with that corrupt minister. But we fired that minister from the Department of Higher Education. Comrades, the people of Midrand did not have water. That's where the ANC is leading with the MMC. No water in Midrand, no water in Johannesburg, including in the biggest suburbs of Sandton. No water. But next door, Ekurhuleni, there was no problem of water. You know why? The MMC of water in Ekurhuleni was the EFF MMC. When Johannesburg was experiencing crisis, it did not happen in Ekurhuleni. So fighters, we are going to make sure that we fix the water leakages, water infrastructure, make sure that our people get reliable, clean water, including the people of Hammanskraal, because they too deserve clean water. Comrades, Hillbrow and Bryanston do not know peace today. If there is a hijacked building, the MMC of the EFF goes into those buildings, remove illegal occupants, and that is not enough. When we take power, we are going to remove them from those buildings and renovate those buildings and give them to our people as houses next to where they work and create student accommodation, because a lot of buildings here in Johannesburg were abandoned and some people have hijacked them, and in their majority are foreigners who are running illegal operations in those buildings. We will take those buildings and make sure that we renovate them and give them back to our people. And who are our people? The black South Africans who must benefit from the reliable buildings that are safe and they can provide home for all of you. For sure, when Ramaphosa was in parliament some few days ago, he agreed with me that we must open clinics 24 hours. I asked him, I said, why do you close clinics for gogos? Why are you not opening for 24 hours? I actually agree with what you are saying. But that fight was led by the MMC of Health here in Johannesburg, made sure that there is exemplary clinic that opens 24 hours and service our people. As a result, today Ramaphosa is agreeing. We got 2 concessions from Ramaphosa when he came to parliament last week. He agreed on insourcing, he agreed on 24-hour clinics. Mara ke re le ba tseba hore a ba tshepahale ba no bolela ka molomo ka nko tše dikgolo mara o kore batho ba ona ba bolela ba ya kae mara Parlamente record yo bontšha gore Ramaphosa agreed that clinics must be opened 24 hours. Insourcing must happen in all government departments. What does it mean? The EFF has put a bill before Parliament that we must insource all workers who are working in government properties and buildings everywhere. Once Ramaphosa says, I agree with insourcing, it means the ANC agrees with insourcing. It means MKP agrees with insourcing. The EFF agrees with insourcing. When we are brought together, our numbers can pass that bill into an act, and we make sure that it is by law that we insource the people of South Africa. Now, the DA brings you some old magogo, and I suspect it's not a fact. Maragnana Helen Zille, Kamukwacho fetching, the way she's too old, she's got false teeth. She's too old. Little leader ke le khuwa la o tlhoka meno la o palelwa ko Cape Town o ba re batho ba rena ke di immigrants ha ba tswa Eastern Cape ba ya Cape Town a ba rua yena o tloga Cape Town o tloga Johannesburg. What must we call her? This is not a city. We must reject her whether she's white or not. We don't support the candidature of Helen Zille. Rena, we are not our mothers and our fathers. We are not our grandmothers and our grandfathers. Baba Guchimbari, setare sa Mosotho ke lekgowa. Rena, setare sa rena a se lekgowa. Setare sa rena ke economic freedom in our life.